Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Splice. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage and you will enter. In this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.